Hi guys, welcome back to my Shadowways. I'm your Pallavi. Welcome back to a new vlog. वैसे तो आप मेरा रोज योगा का vlog देखते होगे, but today it's different. Although it's a fitness gadget vlog, so I have received this amazing product from Gymproluxe, जो कि काफी demand में है. It's very easy, very convenient. As you see that I do regular yoga every day, like 5 days a week. If you don't see my live videos, go check out now. Apart from yoga, what you don't know is, and what I don't show on my YouTube channel is that I also do regular strength training. Like 5 days a week, I go to gym. I do a lot of weights, pull-ups, push-ups. Whenever I travel, I miss my gym badly. I know that hotels में gym होते हैं, but like somewhere if I'm traveling, if I don't have a gym in the hotel, I miss my weights, I miss my dumbbells. So here is the solution to my gym while I travel or at home also, anywhere. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. So this is the set from Gymproluxe, which has one band and a bar set. And it is definitely one of the stuff you need if you want to work out at home or during traveling. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so the color looks really nice, green. And then we have a quick start guide manual here. And then we have this bar set. This is the bar which can be attached, like if you want to do like bicep curls or maybe like triceps, so you can just use this, which is like shorter angle. Like this is not wide angle with the shorter space like this thing, but if you want to do something which is a wide angle shoulder press or something like that, then you can connect this and this. There's a ring stuff here and this goes inside, of course. So basically you need to open this. Okay, so you can open this and you can just put it here inside, roll. The main thing which will help with the bars are these resistant bands. So you can see there are like 3 bands here. You see these 3 colors. These are like different weights. The white one has like 22 pounds, this is 44 pounds, this is 33 pounds. Depending on the weights you want, you can just pull here like this and just remove these from here, like same this side, and then simply take it out. So I have removed these heavy weights and I have just kept this like white one. And we also have this bag to carry this set, which looks really nice. The quality is really good. So we're gonna try this later. So with this, you can pretty much do the full body exercise, like all the full body exercise you do in the gym with dumbbells and weights. You can do everything with these 2 products. Now, quickly, I'm gonna show you a few exercises just to show you how this works. Let's start with the curls, biceps curls. So you're gonna put it here, put your knees here, and then you can increase and decrease the weights with those other colors that I showed you before. So we're gonna do this. So we are training our back. Chest exercises. So I'm gonna lie down here. And this comes here, this comes here. Then we just gotta now let's do something with the rods. Let's connect these 2. Okay, so now it's ready. We're gonna put it here. Shoulders. Only with these two things you can do full body workout and you will feel like you're working out in a gym. So I am definitely going to carry this on my vacations and also sometimes work out at home when the gym is closed. Super easy to carry wherever you want to with this bag. I mean, I am definitely a fan of this product, especially because you can carry it during your travels, vacations, and also if you want to work out at home, this is a perfect thing to keep at home, work out at home without dumbbells, but still do the same exercises with same intensity. Definitely a thumbs up for this product for gym lovers, gym goers, or any home workout. Check the link in the description box, and I hope you guys liked this video. So if you liked it, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next.